Welcome back, Mighty Mamas, and welcome if you are new. In today's video, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to clean your oven rack. Welcome back, Mighty Mamas, and welcome if you are new. My name is Laura, and this channel is all about cleaning and organizing those real life messes for overwhelmed and busy moms like myself. I also struggle with keeping a clean house while living with anxiety and depression. So if this sounds like anything like you, then please consider subscribing down below. I'd love to get to know you. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to clean your oven racks. And first, I have to confess, my oven racks are my dirty little secret. I have never cleaned these bad boys, ever. Yes, you heard that right. Honestly, I don't know what overwhelmed, busy mom is thinking about cleaning their oven racks. Like, I'm lucky if I get enough energy to put food on these oven racks and bake it for my family, if you know what I mean. So I've done a little bit of my own research right here on YouTube, and there are several videos on how to clean your oven racks. So it took a little bit to decide, but I think I found the clever cleaning hack that can get this taken care of and get these bad boys nice and shiny. I'm hoping, at least, because my oven racks definitely need a miracle cleaning. So if you're ready to get cleaning your oven racks with me, let's get cleaning together, mama. Okay, so you're gonna have to gather some cleaning supplies before you start to clean your oven racks. First, you're going to need 1 cup of detergent. It can be either dish detergent or laundry detergent. I'm using the Dawn dish detergent. It is known to be a miracle cleaner, so I thought this would get those oven racks cleaned really nicely. I'm also using a sponge with a nice little scrubby side on it. You can use any type of scrubby pad, and also an old towel. And now we're gonna take all these cleaning supplies and head up to my bathtub to clean my oven racks. So now that you gathered your cleaning supplies, the next step is you're going to lay the towel down in the bathtub because you do not want your oven racks to scratch your bathtub. Now, some other videos recommend doing it in a garbage bag if you don't have a bathtub. I do not recommend that. I feel that would be a disaster of a mess to clean up, and I am not trying to make double the mess for you mamas. So next, you want to run the hottest water possible and fill the bathtub just over the oven racks. As the bathtub is filling with water, you want to make sure to empty out all the soap into the bathtub. So I'm just letting the water run over my cup just to rinse out any excess soap, because you want to use all the soap for this. Now, most of the other videos say to walk away and leave it for 6 hours. But in my case, I really wanted to keep that hot temperature up in the water. So I came back every hour to add hot water, and I'm a very impatient person, so I wanted to check on the progress of the racks. Okay, so it's been about 6 hours, and I am back to see if this actually works. So here goes nothing. Let's see. Oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot believe this. It's like, it's pretty much all clean. It's clean. I don't even have to do anything. There are some like little spots on here. I guess that's what the sponge is for. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like run it over. Oh, it just feels so smooth too, and so like easy to even wipe. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this. I am shocked. This is definitely a miracle cleaning. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how easy this is. Wow, this is definitely the fastest and easiest way to clean your oven racks, because I mean, you just walk away. You just leave them in the water and walk away, and even like these little spots that were here, which is barely anything. Wow, I am impressed. I am so impressed. This took like little to no effort at all. And you know, you can go do something else, clean something else while you're waiting the 6 hours, and you come back and you have clean oven racks. Definitely a clever cleaning hack if you ask me. You guys, I'm totally blown away at the results of my oven racks. Like, I consider this to be a miracle cleaning. Let me know if you ever tried this oven rack cleaning method. Give it a thumbs up if it worked for you, and leave a comment below letting me know how you liked it or how you didn't like it. Either way, let me know if you were able to try it. I think this is definitely considered a clever cleaning hack in my book, and I will be using this oven rack cleaning method to clean my oven racks from now on. And yes, I am going to clean them again. I will not neglect them anymore. So if you like videos like this, I also did a video on how to clean your oven glass door. So if you're looking to get your oven door crystal clean, definitely go check that video out. I'll leave the link right here or maybe right here. One of these places, click on it after you watch this. Thank you so much for being here. If you like videos like this and you like those real life mess cleanups as well as home renovations like room makeovers or house transformation type videos, I am your girl. I also like to do clean with me's, cleaning my house while living with anxiety and depression. I hope that you will subscribe and join me on my journey of taking control of the mess in my home, cleaning up one mess at a time. I want to be here to remind you that if I can do this, you can do this. So thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will be back next week. Bye.